Hello everyone. Happy Sunday. Guys, it's already the last day in June. So the first half of the year has already gone. I'm confused. Where did the 6 months went? I don't know. I'm looking back and I'm like, what did I even do for the past 6 months? Anyway, guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Anisi. If you are here for the first time, I hope you love it, and I hope you decide to be a part of this family. Adult. So yeah, I will go to the gym once I am done with my coffee. So I wanted to take you to show you the progress on my balcony kitchen garden. I'm a little like not sure what is going on with it, because I think it is like taking so much time to bear fruits. I think I started the garden in early May or late April, and I haven't seen any fruits in it. So this is I planted a few seeds, kale, peppers, of like 3 different peppers, tomatoes, celery, and cucumbers. And the peppers are growing slowly. The celery are also growing very slowly, not many plants. The tomato is really thriving, but I do not see any any flowers as yet. I'll be patient though. The cucumbers, as you can see here, they are also growing. These are the cucumbers here. I bought this trellis, I think it's called. I bought this so that the cucumber could creep on, but there's one that is very, very defiant, and it has decided that it wants to grow on the screen, like the blinds here, and I don't want that because I don't want to get in trouble with management. So I'm often diverting that route, but it still comes back. Such a defiant little plant, that this specific one reminds me of when I was a kid. But yeah, that's what it looks like for now. Yeah, that's what it looks like. But it gives me something to do every morning. You know, I come here, I look at them, I speak to them. You know, when are you going to bear? I water them every day, so it's kind of a little therapeutic for me. Okay.
If you close your eyes, feel the sunlight, baby, we'll fly to Madrid. Wanna get away one night or two. Madrid, go outside, forget me and you. Fall in love 1 time, 2 times, 300 times. Wanna get far away, boy, I'm tired of the rainy days. Now I got you warmed up, tell me you see
guys, I am back from the gym. I got ready, took shower, and now I'm just going to prepare my breakfast. Come, I want to show you what I eat these days for breakfast. Sunday I go a little extra, so come. Let's before I would have yogurt with granola and fruits. Oh, I almost forgot the fruits. But yeah, I would have yogurt with granola and fruits. But these days, since I am changing the way I eat, eliminating ultra processed foods, I have stopped using granola. Instead, I buy grains or nuts at my Whole Food store. So this is sunflower seeds mixed with pumpkin seeds, but I have more sunflower seeds here. I have also chia or chai, or I think it's chia, and flaxseed in this bar. And I have walnuts here. I also have cashews in this one. I also have this one is split almonds, but I don't have a jar for the almonds. I need to buy some more jars. I don't have a jar, so I'll get a jar eventually. But this is how I make my is it a parfait? I think they call it parfait. Tell me what's the real term for this. That's how I make my parfait. So I have also this yogurt. It's European style whole milk yogurt. I love whole milk. I don't like fat free. I think fat free is processed. That's my opinion of fat free, because when a cow makes a milk, it doesn't make it fat free. It's full of fat. But I can only eat the plain one. It's very delicious for me. And also the European style is so delicious. I have to throw this one in the garbage. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to throw any extra of this, because another thing about this one is that it is super expensive. This brand is very expensive. I think $10 or $8. I got it on discount for $6.29. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's expensive. And I usually measure my food these days, so I use like 1/3 of yogurt. Portion size, guys, portion control. So yeah, I use 1/3 and use some of, I'll add some of the nuts, a little bit of walnut, a little bit of this one, the sunflower seeds. I just sprinkle it here. Chia, or the flaxseed, almond. Put a little bit of cashew. I love cashew. And here, who needs granola? I have some blueberries, So you observe that I do not have any like carbohydrates. Growing up, I always thought that carbohydrates, you had to have carbohydrates as part of your every meal. And I thought my definition for carbohydrates were mostly bread and something starchy, you know. But now I learned that most foods have carbohydrates. It's just that it's more complex. Half of a banana, and just cut it in my parfait, and that's my starch. That's my carbohydrates. I don't need to have bread. I don't need to have flour or cereal. This is it. We add some strawberries just to add color. I love color in my food. So this is like just to add this. And yeah, this is the most delicious breakfast. What do you think? We have our seeds, our grains, we have our fruit, and we have yogurt. I'm very famished because it's like about 10:29, and I haven't had any breakfast. How does this look, guys? Isn't it just appetizing and look very delicious? So after, when I have this for breakfast, probably my next meal will be about 5 p.m. So yeah, there you have it. Very healthy breakfast. As I end my video today, I just want to ask you for your prayers for the Windward Islands, the Caribbean islands, who are in the path of Hurricane Beryl. Let's keep Barbados, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Grenada, St. Lucia, Dominica, my island, Martinique in our prayers tonight and tomorrow. I know the devastation that a hurricane can cause. In 2017, my island Dominica was destroyed by Hurricane Maria. Just keep those islands in your prayer, and let's ask God to do his magic to just cause this thing to just disappear. I thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, for being part of my channel, for being part of the family. If you have stumbled on this video, just like the video, please comment, because the YouTube algorithm, that's what it feeds on. It feeds on the comment and the liking, and the more likes I get, the more comments I get, it gives my channel an opportunity to be seen by a larger audience. So I just want you to consider liking this channel, consider liking this video, consider even subscribing to the channel. Please, I am on 405 subscribers. Someone subscribed last night. Whoever you are, thank you very much. And yeah, let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you so much, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Feel the sunlight, baby, we'll fly.